So how I earned my first $100 online, I mean, I worked a lot of jobs in my history and in my past, and like I hate working jobs. I hate working for a boss. The most depressed I've ever been is that. I wouldn't wish it upon anyone who doesn't want to be in that situation. I really feel for anyone who's struggling in a job, who hates it and wants to make money online, because my journey was hell. I hated jobs. I mean, I had to go work. My family was like, you got to go work, bro. I mean, I didn't owe that much in rent for my house. My family wanted me to be responsible, so I paid like $250 a month or whatever while I was living at my parents' house when I was younger. And I paid like $250. I worked jobs. And then I used the money to go do paid ads and testing and all that stuff. I mean, I was obsessed. You have to be obsessed to crush it. My first $100 easily was YouTube. Actually, I wouldn't say $100, but my first dollar ever was with Amazon Associates, a custom coded website with a business partner. This custom coded website was around luxury products on Amazon, and basically somehow we were ranking. I was scared to make any YouTube content because I was intimidated by the platform and how hard I thought it would be to do and upload content to. But I was young, brain's not fully developed. I did Pinterest, I did Instagram, stuff like that to get traffic to it. I don't know where the sale came from, but it was a book around relationships, an ebook or something on Amazon, and that was the first sale I ever made. It was 12 cents. I got Amazon Associates has a lot of affiliates. They're very strict. The thing they like most is like if you already have a platform set up, like if it's a blog or a YouTube channel, it's already getting a lot of traffic, then you're not going to have any issues with Amazon Associates. First $100 easily was just I made a lot of content, promoted CPA offers. It all added up like I'm saying here. And that was my first money. I made a lot of conversions first times I was doing paid traffic, but I wasn't profitable. Facebook ads, I was doing a lot with CPA marketing. When I first started I was doing Facebook ads, promoting sweepstake offers. And I mean, I couldn't get it profitable because I was naive. I didn't understand how to really advertise that well. Now, if I were to do a Facebook ad, a CPA offer, or even a sweepstake, I could be profitable easy because I know what to do. And I know how to actually do the platform, like how to split test creatives, how to split test actual targeting. And so that's super important when advertising. I didn't know how to do that when I first started. But anyway, that was how I made my first money online. And let's go!